Algorand and Momo show a general trend of going down, which is very important because the ALGO support floor is currently 29 cents, which is also very important. ALGO fell $2.88 in 7 days in a quiet way. Algorand is usually thought to be worth 16 cents on May 31, 2023. In this video, we will walk you through the algorithm cost exam for now or for about a week from now. We will also try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about important problems. All things considered, the cost forecast for algorithm R&D is somewhat short-term, and so is algorithm R&D a very smart interest and a very large manner Algorand support and opposition levels, etc. So Algorand is now considered to be 16 since May 31, 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to figure out how much Algorand will cost now or in the next week. We'll also try to answer the question, what is the current price of Algorand, the kind all-hour trading volume mostly stays at 227,572,776,010, which is very important. Bitcoin has 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a 16.33% lead. Another look at how Algorand and MAT work shows a particularly downward pattern that is generally very big. This is what caused Bitcoin's price to drop to $26,797.21, which is 0.42% lower than what most people think. During the past 24 hours, the price of Ethereum has gone up by 0.12% to $1,813.92. At the same time, the price of BNB went down by 0.48% to $308.52. This shows that the price of Ethereum has gone up by 0.12% to $1,813.92. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in estimate. For the most part enormous manner, these occasions in a real sense show that the market is going in a by and large descending bearing for commonly present moment, so the fundamentally complete exchanging volume, in every way that really matters, remains at 22,757,277,610, which most certainly is very huge as of now. A very broad, essentially regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that while distributing this block, the ENVY exchanged at 308.52 cents following a cost difference in 0.48% within a similar time period, which truly shows that various elective digital currencies as ETHRUM in every practical sense has seen a cost increment of 0.12 coming to 1813.92. During the past 24 hours in a sort of significant manner. Algorand backing and obstruction backing in opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, exhibiting how as far as ALGO support floor it most certainly is presently 29 cents, which truly is very critical. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers truly become considerably more exceptionally dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting the Algorand support and opposition levels and so on. So Algorand generally is by and by esteemed at 16 cents the 31st of May 2023. In this video, we'll mostly show you how to do algebra and cost. If you take the test now or next weekend, you should try to answer these. A lot of the time, people want to know what the short-term price expectations are for Algo and if it's a good idea to invest in it. They also thought that the level at which dealers become really dynamic and stop the coin's price from going up in a quiet way is the level of obstruction. The current Algorand price is 16 cents, and it has been traded for $27,742,000 in the last 24 hours. This shows that merchants are willing to move at a certain level of resistance. Even though most people think so, Algo's prices haven't gone up much since yesterday, and the market capitalization of $1167, $935, $955 USD shows that Algorand support and resistance levels, etc., are set at 16 cents on May 31, 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to figure out how much Algorand is worth right now or in the next week. We'll also try to answer questions like, what is the current price of Algorand, and, is Algo a type of smart interest? Relative strength index moving fundamentally normal combination and dissimilarity backing levels opposition levels different time span moving midpoints including certainly straightforward moving fundamentally normal and dramatic moving especially normal to generally break down the future development of the Algorand, which shows that Algorand is generally valued at 16 cents. May 31, 2023. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know about how much Algorand costs right now or in the near future. We'll also try to answer the question, what is the typical cost expectation for Algorand right now, especially as ALGO? A very smart move, or so they thought. Algorand has broken all of its important support levels, and things don't look good for the crypto market in a fundamentally important way right now. Bears are in charge of the market, and ALGO prices have dropped below the important support level of 29 cents. This means that as of right now, Algorand's every practical cent is somewhere around 0.9%. In this video, we'll show you how to do an algebra cost exam for now or a week from now, and we'll try to answer the questions that people usually ask to get answers to important questions. What is actually a short-term cost estimate for Algorand is A. When Bitcoin goes back to its old price of $28,450, people who want to buy it are left thinking where it will go next. Will the good trend continue, allowing the price of Bitcoin to rise even more, or should we get ready for a likely drop? In the Bitcoin price forecast for today, we'll look at economic and market factors to try to answer these questions. As the United States thinks about raising its debt ceiling, the value of digital currencies like Bitcoin goes up, passing the $28,000 mark. Bitcoin, BTC, has gone up by 3%, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market is green, which suggests that prices will go up over the weekend. But this influx of money didn't happen until Republican leader Kevin McCarthy and U.S. President Joe Biden came to a preliminary agreement to raise the huge $32.4 trillion national debt limit. This deal, which was made after 4 days of 90-minute phone calls, is not yet official. Biden has said that he is sure this deal will keep the U.S. from going into default. On the other hand, Kevin McCarthy says that Biden is to blame for the delay.